In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a receipt in expenses in Zoho Books. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can easily attach your receipts to your expense records and keep your books clean and organized. This is especially helpful for audits, reimbursements, or just making sure you have proof of every transaction stored safely in one place. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. From there, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find and click on the section labeled Purchases. This is where Zoho Books groups everything related to money going out of your business, such as bills, vendor payments, and of course, expenses. Once you're inside the Purchases section, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Expenses. This will open a list of all the expense entries that have been created in your account, including both recent and older ones. You can usually see columns like the date, vendor, amount, and status. Now, from this list, choose the specific expense you want to attach a receipt to. You can scroll through the list or use the search and filter options if you have many records. For example, you might search by vendor name, amount, or date to quickly narrow it down. When you find the correct expense, click on it to open the detailed view. In the expense details page, you'll see information such as the expense category, the amount, and any notes that were added. What we want to focus on here is the area where you can attach documents. Look for the option that says Upload your files. This is where you'll add your receipt. Click on Upload your files. A file browser window will appear, allowing you to choose a file from your computer or device. Select the image or PDF of your receipt. It's a good idea to make sure the file is clear and readable before uploading, so double check your scan or photo beforehand. Once you select the file, confirm the upload. After the upload finishes, the receipt will be attached to that specific expense. You should see the file listed in the attachments area, and you can click on it to preview and verify that it's the correct document. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a receipt to an expense in Zoho Books, helping keep your financial records accurate and well.